That says 1977. Tommy. I should better take it apart, haven't I? Have a look. It looked like a fairly complicated gearbox in there, so this might be fun. Now that little lever is the one that changes the direction. Oh, that wasn't good. I've never seen anything quite like that before. That's one of those sort of ratchety clutch things. That piece is fixed to the shaft, and that's the gear that's driven. It's got little teeth that stick into there that can ride over when it's stressed or jammed. That one spins free because that's driven by that gear, or drives that gear, I think. That gear turns that gear, and that gear drives the black gear on the side of the wheel. And as I say, there's a gear in there that drives that gear, and that one links up with part of the track when they need extra grip. See that one, if I hold that tight, and that won't work, will it? There we go. Make it click over the clutch mechanism. Raining hard out there. You can see it there. And hold it there and switch it on. You can see that extra gear flicking into place. Right, and that's just the bit that goes in the track to keep it going straight. Okay, that's it, we've seen inside. Oh, I didn't show you where the batteries go, did I? Or battery, there it is. I like that. It may not work very well, but it is, what's that, 1977 did I say? So, 40 years old? Am I wrong? Yeah, 40 years old. That's not bad for 40 years old, is it?
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.